Hi ladies, it's LaDon. Hope you're doing well. Wanted to just come back quickly. This is going to be a really quick video based upon an email I or not email, video I posted yesterday in which I kind of informed everyone I had gone back to my booze for Wash and Go, which is the Kiki Curly Knot Today, followed by the Kiss My Face Upper Management Gel as my styler. Because I had the prior day, I had a bad day with the Giovanni Direct leave-in. So you can check those videos out to find out exactly what happened. But yesterday I did a wash and go. I went back to my baby booze, and I received an email asking me to post a video so that they could see my second day hair with this combination. So that's what I'm doing today. So these are the curls. Just so you can see them. They're still very, very defined. There's very little frizz here, and it still feels extremely, extremely moist. Very happy with it. And what I do to achieve this is, at night before I go to bed, I lightly mist my hair with a water bottle that contains 2 parts water, 1 part aloe vera juice. And I mist that very lightly on my hair before I go to sleep. I don't get it, so I don't saturate my hair with it. I don't even get my hair damp with it. I really just lightly mist it. And it takes probably, 2 or 3 minutes to dry. That's how little water or it is. And it dries, and then I just go to sleep. I don't wear a bonnet or wrap my hair up. I sleep on a satin pillowcase, and I just go for it. I just go to sleep. When I wake up in the morning, I don't add any additional product to my hair unless, I might do that several days out if I've really lost a lot of definition or I just want a new, fresh look. But I did not do anything like that this morning. I got up and I got my daily moisturizer out, which is a mixture of a variety of different oils. I can share that with you if you're interested. If you are, comment, let me know, and I'll actually do a tutorial in terms of how I make it. It has lots of great oils in it and butter. So in any event, I put that on, I kind of scrunch it in, focusing on my ends, and then I use my water bottle with the water and aloe vera juice again, and I lightly, again, very lightly mist my hair just to add, moisture for the day. It dries again in 2 or 3 minutes, and then I finger style, and I'm done. So it's really, really quick, and it's a great kind of refresher for my wash and goes. I mean, it's not really even a refresher. It's, kind of what you would normally do is add some type of oil to your hair. So it's very low maintenance. It takes, just a couple of minutes literally to do that, less than 5 minutes to do that. So that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know what you think of the curls. Comment below. Please subscribe. If you have any questions about my regimen for my hair or anything like that, please don't hesitate to comment, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.